In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a backup and restore an application in Cloudways. This process is essential for safeguarding your data and ensuring that you can quickly restore your application in case of unexpected issues. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to head over to the Cloudways platform. If you're not familiar with Cloudways, it's a managed cloud hosting platform that simplifies the hosting experience by providing powerful features without the complexity. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Cloudways homepage. Once there, you'll be ready to begin the login process. Next, locate the login button that's typically found at the top of the Cloudways website. Click on this button to access the login page where you'll enter your credentials. Ensure you have your login information handy because you'll need it to access your Cloudways account. After logging in successfully, you'll be redirected to your Cloudways dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your servers and applications. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to access your server. Look for the section labeled My Server and click on it. This will direct you to a list of your servers. It's important to know which server hosts the application you want to back up, so make sure you're selecting the correct one from the list. After selecting your server, you'll need to navigate to the Backups section. Click on your server to open up its details page where several options will be available. Pay attention to the menu or tabs found on this page. One of these options will be Backups. By clicking on Backups, you're brought to an area where you can manage your backup processes. Here you'll find the Take Backup Now button, which is your primary tool for initiating a manual backup. Before clicking the button, double check if there are specific requirements for your backup, such as ensuring that there are no ongoing updates or operations that might interfere with the process. Once everything is confirmed, go ahead and click Take Backup Now to commence the backup. Keep in mind that a backup can take some time depending on the size of your application. Patience is key here. While waiting, it's a good opportunity to understand the advantages of having regular backups, such as peace of mind and a quick recovery time in case of system failures or human errors. Once the backup is completed, you'll have a recent state of your application saved, allowing you to restore it whenever necessary. Regularly performing backups and keeping track of them can significantly reduce downtime and data loss. That wraps up our guide on how to take a backup and restore an application in Cloudways. Hopefully you found this straightforward and helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.